We're getting you ready for a busy end of the weekend and to start next week with that snowstorm. We do have a winter storm warning that will be coming in effect northern New Hampshire, an extreme northeast section of the Northeast Kingdom. You can see well over a foot plus of snow. Tomorrow morning, that's when that winter storm warning goes into effect. Heavy wet snow, strong winds. It will be a messy situation, but good news for all the folks that get out to ski, snowboard, or ride their snowmobiles. It will bring some fresh powder. Temperatures stay well below freezing. This is great news for all those snow lovers.
Alright, what is going on today, my friends? How you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing great. It is a beautiful day out here in Vermont, and in case you guys haven't been keeping up with the weather, we got a healthy dumping of snow last night. I'm talking probably 12 to 14 inches of fresh powder, which is awesome. As you can see, the trees are all covered. There's snow everywhere. It's amazing. On top of another probably 8 to maybe 10 inches of snow the previous week. So it's great, man. There's so much snow. It's beautiful. We got fresh powder. I mean, look at the trails. It's amazing. Woo! Hit a big bump there. So this actually wasn't the video I had planned for you guys for today, but I decided early this morning, because we got so much fresh powder, I have to get on my snowmobile and I got to do another snowmobile video for you guys, because I cannot miss out on this. It's not every night we get 12 to 14 inches of fresh powder. Alright, so we got to check out the fields right here. We got to see how much snow we're talking about. Oh yeah! Look at that! Oh, this makes me so happy. Oh yeah! You can carve so easily. Oh, I love it. Oh, I love this. I love this so much. I bet my GoPro is getting covered in snow. My face is getting covered in snow. Oh, I gotta cover up my neck here. Oh, that's cold on the neck. Oh, okay. That should help a little bit. All the snow just goes right out over my hood, right into my neck. How's my GoPro doing? Oh, we're clear. We're good. Oh, guys, this is so awesome. I can't even express to you. Oh, whew. Okay, and if you saw the previous video, you know that I went over my handlebars. I hit a ditch. I went over my handlebars. I broke my windshield right here, but I also broke my throttle lever. And I got to show you guys what I did. Pretty much, I mean, I put tape over it so that it presses up against the tape, and it does do the job. But there's a piece in there that it presses up against, so it's still serving a purpose. It's still working. So I figured, hey, I might as well go for a rip today. I cannot miss out on this opportunity. Drop my camera in the snow. Where is it? There it is. Pretty sure, yep, I knocked my camera in the snow. That's not good. I'm sorry, little buddy. Oh boy. No, not good. So I gotta rush back home real quick because I was being really stupid, and apparently I got too close to my camera and I dropped it in the snow. So I gotta head back real quick and put it against the heater like I did last time. Try and get all the moisture out of it. So here I go. I'll be right back. Woo! Here we go. There's a plow truck. I'll wave to them. They do a good job. Alright guys, so I got my camera on the heater. Hopefully that'll dry it out and it'll be okay. And yeah, I was hoping to get some cool shots for you guys. I was hoping to get some cool shots for you guys with my other camera, but that doesn't look like it's going to happen today. So at least I have my GoPro and I can talk to you guys. Woo! Yeah, let's see some wheelies up this hill. Yeah. Oh, this fresh powder is awesome. I love it. One of my favorite things to do on a snowmobile is carve a nice circle here. There we go. See my circle? Oh, somebody else has been here on a snowmobile. Good to see it. Good to see it. Alright, so I'm actually on a mission right now. I'm not only am I making a video for you guys, but I gotta head down to the post office because I gotta send out a letter. So I'm kind of serving a double purpose here. Alright, hopefully there's no logs in here. Whoa! Oh boy. I wasn't expecting it to be that deep. Woohoo! That's funny. Wow, this is some hard-packed snow. Look at that. I'm always getting stuck with this thing. It's pretty funny, actually. I wasn't expecting it to be that soft. There we go. Easy peasy. Hello, friend. Okay, you don't want to wave to me, that's alright. Alright, here's the actual snowmobile trail. Looks like somebody's been in here with a tractor. Oh yeah. I'm just covered in snow. Look at all this snow. My GoPro gets covered every 3 seconds. Check this one. How's that one looking? Pretty good? Yeah. Look at this. This is a fun hill. A little jump right here. Woo-hoo-hoo. Woo-hoo-hoo. Now here's the hard part where the snowplow builds up a huge freaking snowbank, and you can never tell if a car's coming, so it's kind of hard. I don't want to get hit by a car today. Well, we made it. Not sure if I'll make it back, but speed limit 85. Okay. I'll go slow next to these people so I don't upset them. Hey. Alright, we're almost back on the snowmobile trail. Oh, this is the snowmobile trail. Let's see if I pull a wheelie here. Oh yeah. Nobody's been on the trails today. Woo! Hit that post. Oh yeah, this is the good stuff. Now we're getting deep into the woods. Oh, I love this. I freaking love this. Big jumps. And there we go, back on the trail. Oh yeah, today's Valentine's Day, isn't it? Happy Valentine's Day, guys. Oh, we got to stop here. I stopped, now I can go. And here is the post office. Just got to mail a simple letter. I'm going to turn around first, though. There we go. Get my letter out. Whew. There's people wondering why I'm talking to myself. There it is. Found it. I'll be right back. Doop doop doo. Hey, how's it going? Oh, it's awesome. All this fresh powder.
I know. Oh, they're gonna be so good tonight.
Yeah. See you later. And here we go, back at it. Now I could make the venture home, take a right turn here, go back where I came from, but I'm thinking, you know, it's still early in the day. Let's go for a little adventure, shall we? The sad part is my other GoPro died, but hey, we got that shot for a little bit, right? Oh yeah, get some speed here. They actually haven't even groomed the snowmobile trails today, which is surprising. But hey, I'd like to take this time to thank all the groomers out there and the people that allow VAST to be a thing, because it does take a lot of work, it's a lot of money, but it's the people who really appreciate the sport that help keep it going. So a big thank you to those guys. They do a great job. Woohoo! And if you guys remember the video where Travis's sled broke, he broke down right in that tree line right there, and I had to pull him down this road. That was a fun one. Woo! I'm always afraid to be ripping around a corner and then connect with somebody. My friend did that once. He locked skis with some guy, ended up busting both of their sleds, which is not cool. And then you're stranded out on the trails with two broken sleds and two people mad at each other. This spot might look familiar, where I just came from. Yeah, there we go. Whoops, I got a rip a Yui. All right, and here we go, back on the main road. I don't have permission to ride in this guy's field, so I'm not going to. For all those interested, I do get permission first. Hey, hello again. I probably shouldn't be riding on the roads, but I got no other choice. If I want to get to the snowmobile trail, I have to. But maybe someday I'll get busted, who knows? Cop will pull me over on my snow machine on the road. That'd be a good video. Just like that. Yeah, there we go. And here's one of my favorite hills, because you can almost rip wheelies the whole way up. I love it. You just lean side to side and you can go anywhere. Here we go. Woo! That was a good jump. Alright guys, I gotta hit this jump and then I'm gonna say goodbye to you. Ready? Here we go. Get some speed for it. Yeah. Alright guys, so if I had my other camera, I would show a picture of me right now saying goodbye to you, but I don't have my other camera. So I'm going to say goodbye right here, friends. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe if you like what you see. New videos every Tuesday and every Saturday. Thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you next time. Kaboom!